What's up, online shoppers? I've got two great silicone mats here. Now this is a 2-pack that I have. I use them in my craft areas and they have lots of applications, so let's talk about them. First of all, these are great for jewelry making, like resin casting, anything with epoxy, anything that's glue. I love to throw these down on my work surfaces when I'm making candles because when the wax spills, it just literally picks right up and I can throw it back in the pot. Nice and easy. I love that they're super easy to clean. All I have to do is just wipe them off with a warm soapy cloth and they clean like that, really nice. These ones here are about 16 inches by about 12 inches, which is a really nice size. And honestly, sometimes I even use them side by side like this. So I stack their long sides together and I have double the work surface. Now, one of my favorite ways to use this is jewelry making, because when you do your beads on here, the beads stick. They don't bounce around and skitter all over on a slippery surface like this one here. They actually stay where they land, which is nice. You don't have to go chasing beads around. If you are looking for a nice addition to your crafting supplies, these nice light silicone mats come in a 2-pack. There's 3 different sizes you can choose from. This one here is the medium one. They are easy to clean up and easy to store. You just roll them up and put them away. Lots of different applications: painting, candle making, jewelry making, all kinds of stuff like that. I love having these in play on my craft area. Definitely a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.